Good morning guys, welcome back to another episode. We are in Katherine, the town of Katherine, and it's another beautiful oasis. Yesterday we checked out the springs. We've just been chilling out for a few days because I did a lot of driving and it took it out of me.
And the one thing that we have noticed since arriving here is pretty much everything that we want to do, we have to get there super early in the morning, because once it gets past that point, it's either too busy or too hot.
It gets really big. Actually, this is the busiest town we've driven into. There is caravans everywhere. Yeah. It's insane. Crazy. But anyway, we checked out the springs yesterday in the morning, like Megan said.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
It is amazing.
And nowhere near as busy as those other two that we visited last episode, because they were insanely busy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, nice little change. But that being said, we did get there at like 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
I think. And
we should have got there earlier, I reckon.
Today we tried to get to this spot nice and early because it's going to be a hot one, and we're doing a hike around the Nitmiluk National Park.
It's a massive national park. They got 2 or 3 day hikes. You need to get a permit to camp out, which is pretty cool.
But we're just doing an easy 12 kilometres today.
That is not bloody easy. But we're going to a butterfly spot. Apparently there's butterflies and a tropical oasis. And wish us luck. We'll see you soon.
Memories are chasing you away from my reality, breaking us into pieces. Once you were my dream.
They're everywhere.
Must be getting close.
Yep. It is a little oasis, eh? The water's started running now in the bottom of the gorge. And the whole temperature, look at that, look down there. It's crazy, eh?
What am I looking at?
The water running.
Oh, yeah.
It's beautiful. What are your thoughts, Megan?
So cool.
So
Wish I'd
awesome,
brought
mate.
my bathers.
Hey?
I didn't know that you could swim at the end of it. Otherwise I would have worn my bathers.
That was incredible. Oh, you're a bit dark. That was really nice. It just opens up, eh?
Yeah, it's crazy. So unexpected.
Another oasis found. Can confirm. Definitely a banger. Anyway, we've got to walk all the way back now.
Oh, I'm starting to feel hungry and tired now.
Oh, it's going to be a disaster. But completely worth it. Oh, where are you? Oh, I can't reach it. Oh, bloody. What do we got in here? Oh, yes. I got it. We got the cold water.
Oh, so good. Holy crap.
Thank God for that, eh? That was hot, eh?
Mm-hmm.
It is so hot right now. We're back, guys. We made it. We're going to have lunch. We've got burrito bowls today.
No,
And-
just burritos.
Hey?
Not the bowl part.
Oh yeah, no
Because
bowl,
we're wrapping
just
them in
burritos.
tortillas.
We're delusional. It's so hot. And then we're going to head off to our free camp that we've been hanging around at for a few days. But yeah, we'll see you there. Look at that, mate. For sale, 42 grand, full drive truck. I reckon could be build 2.0 on the works there. I have been thinking, I've been getting a little bit excited. I've been looking at uni mogs and all that kind of stuff. We're not even finished our lap yet, and I'm already looking at build 2.0. But I've got something like that in mind. Just get another look at it, mate. Look at that. Big red. Big red. What do you think?
No.
Megan's not impressed. But we'll see how we go when we get back, eh? Home sweet home, eh? That's what it feels like, eh?
Yeah.
We've stayed here, I think, 3 nights now, maybe 2.
This is our third.
This will be our 3rd night, and I like it, eh? It's just good to be out in nowhere, and it's free. So it's brilliant.
And not paying $40 for it.
It's funny seeing the same people come back as well during the day, so they know what's going on. The caravan parks must be fully booked, I reckon. So the caravan parks, we're finding that they can't keep up with the amount of people that they're letting in.
Yeah.
It's like very noticeable. They can't keep it clean. There was even a sign on the men's bathroom in the last caravan park we stayed in saying cleaners wanted.
Oh, really?
So if you're looking for a job, they need cleaners. But anyway, we're going to set up here, have some showers, and just enjoy the scenery, mate. Alrighty guys, we've been relaxing all day. We actually got quite dehydrated, eh? Megan's had it.
It's either that or maybe it's just the fact that whenever we decide to go for a hike, we never ease ourselves back into it. We're just like, yep, 12 kilometres, let's do that.
So yes, it was a bit of a mistake, but totally worth it. Tonight we're having pasta. We've just literally relaxed all day, eh?
Well, I mean, we didn't get back here until like 3 o'clock.
I know, we got back pretty late, but then we've just been doing nothing. So, pasta tonight, little Coles Brown pasta cook up.
Such a cheap pasta.
It's cheap. We haven't had this one yet though, so we'll see how that goes. We've got mushrooms. It's gonna be good actually. Pretty keen for a bit of pasta. But yeah, what do we need? We need the pots. And did you say the pan?
Yeah, the big pan, please.
Big pan. All right. Oh, also, the jet boil. Guys, if you watched our vlog from 2 weeks ago, I think it was, maybe 3 weeks now, when you're watching this video.
Could be 4.
Maybe even 4. I got in trouble for buying the jet boil. Came back to the car from the camp store with the jet boil and spent $220. But I'm not in trouble anymore because it has come in handy so much. So, you want to apologise for that? Yeah, I would highly recommend the jet boil. If you haven't got it in your camping set, get it, because we've been coming back from, like, you know, we do our hikes and we come back to the car park and whatnot, and we don't want to get the barbecue out, so we get the jet boil out and it just works perfectly. I've been hovering the pan over the top of the flame and it just cooks up. It works perfectly. But you can buy attachments. We're definitely going to buy attachments. We just can't get them delivered at the moment because it's a bit hard with not having a residential address, eh? Alrighty, we're going to enjoy dinner and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, beautiful bloody morning this morning. We're having porridge this morning. It's our backup food when we run out of all our breakfast. So we just have that in the pantry all the time, and we just chuck some what are these called? Chia seeds and a bit of coconut, and it tastes glorious. Yeah, we're feeling pretty good today. We had a good sleep last night. I guess after you do a bit of exercise the day before, you always wake up nice the next day. Legs aren't sore though. But anyway, hey, what are you saying?
Speak for yourself. My legs are killing me.
Megan said her legs are killing her. But anyway, we're going to have some breakfast. We're going to head back into Katherine today and maybe buy some fireworks. Oh,
I knew it.
oh, they're free. Classic.
I knew he's going to come back with something sneaky that he shouldn't be buying.
They're $5.50 each, and you get them for free if you spend over, spitting everywhere, spend over $200. Look how expensive it is. Hey, free chocolate. Can't say no. Man, that's expensive, eh?
Yeah.
Look at the price. And that's not even full, $209. That's not full. Ridiculous. I think it's $1.52 a litre.
Jesus.
Alright, so we're all watered up, we're all chocolated up,
Groceryed up.
we're all fueled up.
I tried to get a floaty. I've been dying to get either a floaty or a pool noodle. There's a car about to hit you.
Whoa.
Yeah, either a floaty or a pool noodle for ages, because I've just seen all these people chilling out on their floaties and noodles, and I'm not the strongest swimmer,
We've
so
been
I'm
to
just
like
there.
3 Kmart's and we can't find one.
Yeah, so still no noodle.
Nah.
But
Alright, we're going to that waterfall, eh?
well, do you want to just go to camp maybe, because it is still Sunday and now it's the middle of the day, so I feel like if we go to
Yeah.
a waterfall,
If you want, we can do whatever.
I mean, we can go check it out and then maybe go back to camp.
Yeah, alright, we'll do that.
Okay.
Alright. Mate, it is packed. That's not the car park you're seeing there, that's outside the car park. So busy.
This is why we do things at sunrise usually, so I think
So it's definitely going to be a sunrise mission.
yeah, tomorrow. I think we might do a 2-kilometre walk tomorrow to something pretty cool, but this is still part of the Nitmiluk National Park where we were yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. So yeah, so much to do and see in that national park.
This place is massive.
Yeah.
Whoop, speed bump. But yeah, I reckon definitely come back in the morning.
Yeah.
But anyway, not much to do today. It's just try and keep cool for the rest of the day because it gets hot.
Yeah.
It gets really hot out here. So it's better to do it in the morning or the afternoon. But I mean, it's just too busy.
But maybe tomorrow morning, if we get there early, maybe we can just spend the day there, because I think it will be a cool place to spend the day.
It just depends how busy it gets because people just get annoyed. Anyway, yeah, we're just going to chill out for the rest of the day and get that little 12-volt fan running because that's all we've got to keep us cool. And we are back, guys. And we've got the whole place to ourselves. Well, there's one car. One car over there. We're laughing. Sunrise looks spectacular as well. How you feeling, Megan? You ready?
I'm a bit cold though.
It's pretty cold, yeah. What are you doing? I thought you were taking your pants off. I was like, whoa, 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 the camera's recording. Classic. So yeah, we're here, guys. I think we might have some, we got some Nutrigrain yesterday. So pretty keen to have some Nutrigrain.
Into the cereal now. We haven't had cereal in like years. And
Yeah.
now we just
Back into the cereal. So we might have some coffee and cereal and then make our way to the top of the waterfall. Is that it?
I think so.
And apparently there's an infinity pool up there.
Oh wait, don't say that because I'm not sure.
Oh, well, maybe there is, but we're not sure. We're going to find out when we get up there anyway. All right, we'll see you up there. How is it, Megan?
So good. I love it here.
It's like one of those places you don't expect.
Not at all. It wasn't even really on my radar until a couple of days ago, and when we came down those stairs just then, I was just blown away. So cool. So this is the upper pool, so I think it was about a 2.3 kilometre return.
Yeah, it's easy.
Hike. So not entirely sure if we're supposed to be swimming here, but I couldn't help myself. And then there's a massive plunge pool down the bottom there that I think you just walk to from the car park, and I think people go swimming there as well. So really
just
cool.
Amazing.
And as you can see, we got down here not super early, like we went here as the sun was rising, but yeah, we pretty much got it all to ourselves, so it's amazing compared to yesterday anyway.
Anyway, guys, we're going to end the episode there. We're going to spend the rest of the day here just relaxing, and we'll see you in the next episode when we head to Litchfield National Park.
So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. See you later. We'll have that conversation off screen. This one's pretty. I like this one.
This is so cool.
We got no problems, mate. Most experienced driver in the world right here. You can tell we're amateurs.
Wow, look how black my feet are.
Yeah, clean them up, mate.
I don't know if it's because it's the first place we've got all to ourselves, or it's just incredible.